Alright friends, now we are learning about membership operators in Python programming. So these operators help us to check whether a value exists inside a sequence like string, list or tuple. So what's the membership operator? Membership operator is in. For example, I define a variable. My variable name would be message, for example. Message is equal to hello world. Hello world. Now let's check if a certain character is inside this string. For example, we can check h. H is inside hello world. For example, I want to see it. So we can use print function. Inside the print, I want to check h in what's my variable name? Message. H exists in message string. I'm checking this. So if I run it, you see true. H already exists in this string. So now let's try something that doesn't exist. For example, A. I check A. So I run it, you see false. A doesn't exist in this string. You can use it with full word too. For example, I want to check hello. Hello exists in this string. I check it, you see true. But, for example, I add m at the end. So, I run it, you see there is no substring inside this. There is nothing hello inside this message. So we can use in to check membership inside list and other collections, but we don't know yet. We just know string until now. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.